Good morning and welcome to 5 minutes after the last video we just filmed. Still on this van. I say still, we literally haven't done anything to it yet.
Took the radiator off.
Oh yeah, tell a lie, John spilt the radiator on the floor. But this van is being condemned because Di wanted all the good bits out of it. And she's rusty, but mainly Di wanted all the good bits. Nice little rust hole here. Here. We could do this for a while. But Di's got these seats here, or the full length rock and roll bed, and the swivel twin, and the single seat for the front, and a few other little bits and bobs. And she's obviously handy because she's got a healthy engine.
See if anyone want a pop top.
Oh yeah, is anyone interested in a pop top? Because we're going to be taking that off in a minute. She's a good one. As you'll see in a bit, we will be cutting that off as, well, part of the roof. But if you're interested, go over to the Doghouse's Facebook page and bother John.
Yeah.
And he'll sell it to you. But this thing is going to be getting stripped apart and salvaged for all her good bits. You've probably seen we have cut this bit. Well, Di has. Because we did think it was going to be good for this panel. But turns out she's not. Because she's rusty.
Everything on the back. £10. All of it.
As you've seen in the last video, my van is yellow. I mean, it's... We did cut this. Di's going to be doing this later on. But don't she look good with the yellow bumpers? We're half tempted of just leaving it like that. Full send with the yellow bumper. But the plan is, I need to move that van to that space and then get Di's van out so that we can start putting all the bits and bobs in it. That is the plan.
Pile it full of shit.
And piling full of shit. And as you can see, Di's not even here. Lazy. I'm going to leave you here so you can watch Mr. John.
Do Mr. John stuff.
Well, had a little bit of a move about. That van was here. And now we're going to get this bad boy started, which is Di's NC500 mobile.
Yeah.
Right, let's pikey this battery. Hopefully this one will do the job.
Go on, Carl. You're doing a great job.
Thanks, John. Swamp!
Whoa.
Oh. Well, here's a closer look of the vehicle Di's taken to the NC500, hey? A little bit of rust. Nothing Di can't fix. Nice pop top, a Remo pop top. She not bad. Little bit of rust, but it's not terrible. Well, that is Di's T4. We're gonna walk around it and knock fault into it a bit more because that's what we do. But there's Di's van. Anyway, see you in a minute. Right, there you go. So you've seen us pulling Di's little wagon in. I need to start stripping this interior out. Seats needs to come out. All the stuff out in the back needs to come out. That needs to get glued back up. And then that full length rock and roll needs to go in. Swivel twin and the single needs to go in. And a few other little bits and bobs we got. But everything at the back of here, which I can show you from this side, all of this lot needs to also come out. So that is my job. My job is to do Di's work for him.
Again, because my job is to patch your scrap.
And John, other than being a sarky bastard, is about to pull this engine out.
Lucky little swan.
I think since the last time you've seen it, a little bit more readier. So yeah, that's John's job. Engine removal. I'm not going to show you the tedious job of pulling this lot apart. let's get a removing. Well, anyway, see you in a sec. Right, well, I have slightly started to pull this thing apart. Seats are out, that's unbolted. The cabinets at the back, they are partially unbolted. Oh, and John, he's managed to get the engine out of this bad boy already. She is Audi. John has molested another van. Yeah. And if you didn't hear in the background, Di's working. And actually working on mine. But we're going to leave you over here. You can watch Di do this. He's just going to patch this bit up and the same underneath. And that is Di's job. Well, it's been an hour or two later. This is completely cleared out now. Just need to put the stuff back in it, which is somewhere. Oh, got that seat in. There's the other seat. And then there's the bed. That needs to go back in here. Mr. Di has been nice and busy. But we will have a look at that properly in a bit. Mainly because John's up to something.
We're going to make the convertible for summer.
The convertible T4.
Ready for summer.
John's about to make himself a convertible.
Ah! Straight up the fucking... Ah! Jesus.
Well, this is how far we've got. She is free!
The days of pop in the top are now over.
There's no more pop in this top. But there is a lot of flop
In the pop.
Well, away from them antics, Mr. Di is laying his floor.
No.
Why don't you just peel that off and just put it in place?
Because I will find out like a million holes.
Oh, would you not rather find out now? I got the board.
No, I don't want to know.
I got the board. That's new rust. It's brand new. She look brand new, Di.
Never come out. This is the last time you saw that van.
That van's now going to go and live over there and
next couple
never
of
come
years.
out.
Yeah.
Bye, van. Well, many things are happening, including graffiti, starting to put scrap in the back of it. You've seen Di's vans nice and full up with this stuff. Haven't really shown too much of what he's doing over here. But that patch of rust is now no more. Welded in the notches. Mr. Di very nicely welded in my notches for me, or my plates. Oh. Oh. There you go. There's one. And there 'tis other. There is a few more bits we're going to do. We're going to put a few, in fact we've got them up here. These bits, we're going to cut them and put them up across the top. But she is mostly welded in now. Thank you, Di. Anyway, I need to go move my car because I've left it in the way so that Di can move his van back to where it was. That is the plan, but thank you to Di. We're going to go move vehicles.
Come here.
Right, well, we had a little bit of a tidy up. Di's scrapper's gone.
Yeah.
Up there. We're going to take the roof off of this anyway. And I think this will probably be good there.
3, 2, 1.
I'm glad this is light. So anyway, that is enough fun with this van. I think she's done her day now. Di's gonna go get the truck. She's going on the truck, and off she goes. And on that note, we're gonna go get the truck and load this thing up. See you in a bit. Well, Di's gone and picked up Joseph. There he is. Di went and picked up Joseph. Now this van is going down. Final resting place, bless it. Well, as you've just seen, this has just been cut out. Di needs this panel because this piece here they don't make, and because this van's going out, there is a bit of rust that was by here, but I think it's this bit he needs. So he's cut that panel out, and obviously we had to somehow cover it up. So that works, and it is actually quite solid as well. So, well, that bit flaps a bit, but nothing's going to fall out of it, and it's safe for a trip down to the scrappy. And then these two are now just doing some maintenance.
Cruise control for Scotland trip.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they're off to Scotland. By the time you see this video, about 2 weeks ago. But for us, in like 2 days' time. They're off to go to pick something up from Scotland.
Something's cool.
Something very cool. Something for somebody. So just making sure cruise control works. But anyway, we're going to get ourselves gone for a minute. Well, there we go. Had a little bit of a move about. Truck's now ready to go take the poor yellow van. It looks so much worse from this side. Bless it. But she's been stripped of all her parts. She's ready to go to the scrapyard. But that's the end of that for the video. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that. Di's van's a little bit more ready. And these boys are off to go pick up something for John. But you'll see that in the next video. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for putting up with our dumbass. And as always, take it easy.